Good morning, everybody. Hey, wanted to do a quick video about getting our template glued together and kind of the steps we take before that. Again, we can check those last few videos and see about how to set up the template. If you're having issues with that or issues finding material, please send me a message and we can work it out together. Real quick today, just kind of talking about what needs to be done to get this folded up. So we'll use a ruler, we'll use some scissors and some glue here. Before I go to fold this, first thing I need to do is score and bend. The term scoring means to carve or scratch a line into the surface but not cut through. So what I'm going to do is take my ruler here, line up, and I'm just going to slide that, kind of slice over that top layer with my scissors opened up. Do that same thing on all of the lines I'm going to fold. What that enables, or what that allows to happen, is us to get a nice crisp bend right where we want it to be. Other than measuring with this template, the most important things are kind of keeping those edges neat and crispy. Looks like the video kind of crapped out there for a minute on us. So again, just kind of sitting this on here, taking the scissors over all those edges that are going to bend, to score them, cutting the groove into the surface. So scoring and bending is one of those terms that we will want to remember, kind of an essential technique in the arts. A lot of materials, glass, plexiglass, and the like, you can only bend or only cut kind of by scoring. So something that does kind of come back up after once in a while. You know, this idea of scoring or kind of scratching a line into that surface so we get a nice crispy bend. Keeping that fold right where we want. Then we'll fold away from the side we scored at, and you can see that gives us a nice crisp edge to our box. That's what we'll want to see, once we go to actually kind of construct these, is that nice well folded edge so it actually holds the shape of a box. I'm working with some printer paper in my example here, which is not ideal. If that's all we have, that's what we got to work with. So getting all my tabs folded right at those scores, which are right on the line. So taking the knife over and running over does enable us to get those bends in a very precision point. That's what I'm trying to show you here this morning. So that is scoring and bending. Next video we'll talk about doing our designs and getting the box glued together. Let me know if you have questions.